Welcome back. My name is Tony Tembo, and I'm so excited to have you join this session. This is the first of a series of videos where we will be covering important topics in asset management. Plant maintenance, or enterprise asset management, is a module in SAP that automates the maintenance process. It records equipment malfunction, schedules routine maintenance, and keeps a history of all maintenance activities. It also provides a cost analysis of maintenance, allowing businesses to optimize their maintenance budget. In summary, enterprise asset management is the strategic approach to managing physical assets across their life cycle, from acquisition to disposal. It ensures reliability, performance, and compliance across industries like manufacturing, data centers, and life sciences. Enterprise asset management isn't just software, it's a mindset for operational excellence. That's your quick fix. Like and subscribe to EAM in 2 minutes. See you in the next one.